This is for question 141, the linked list cycle on LeetCode. And the description reads, given head, the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle. So here we see the example where a linked list does have a cycle because the last node is pointing back to a prior node, the value of 2, this node. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. So how we want to do this to solve this is that we need 2 pointers to keep track of one labeled slow and one labeled fast. So we'll start in the beginning with head, and then the fast node or the fast pointer, we'll have that one move 2 nodes every iteration, while the slow one only moves 1. So if it starts at 3, the fast one would move 1, 2 to 0, and then that same iteration, the slow variable, we will only iterate 1. And what happens is over time, it will, if there is a cycle, it will be that at some point they both will equal the same node. Perhaps fast will kind of loop around here, and perhaps we can just show this in code. So if we declare a slow variable, assign that head, and then fast equals head. Now we need to write a while loop, and the condition we want is while fast is not none, and while fast dot next is not none. We'll keep going. This and is important. It may throw you. Sometimes we may think, why can't we just put or here? Well, if we do that, we'll get an error, because if there is no cycle in our linked list, fast will eventually reach the end first. And so, for instance, if fast does equal none, in the or statement, only one of these conditions has to be false, and it will still keep going. So if this is false, if fast is actually none, with the or statement, it will actually continue to run this check as well. So if fast is none, there is no next statement on fast. So this will throw an error, since there is nothing assigned to fast if this is false. If we try to run fast on none or next, we'll get an error. So it has to be and. And now we want to move slow up 1 and fast up 2. So we do slow equals slow dot next, and fast equals fast dot next dot next. Now if slow is equal to fast, we will return true. And if the while loop, if it does reach the end of the list, if there's no cycle, well then there's no cycle, we will return false. We can run this. It succeeds. And there we go. That's how to solve LeetCode question 141, linked list cycle.